Casey, and we're having a scream of a time, and we wanted to give you a snapshot into what you can expect from art camp this week.
For this activity, you'll need yellow, blue, red, and white plasticine. We'll start with the yellow, and we'll take it and roll it out and make it a flat circle. Next, we'll move on to the blue. We'll roll it into a long strip and place it along the top of the yellow circle. We'll start blending it down. It might look a little messy, but don't worry, it'll all come together in the end. Once the blue is blended on top of the yellow piece, place that to the side and grab your white plasticine. Tear off a small piece and roll it into a thin oval shape. Do this one more time so you have a pair of eyes and place them on top of your face. Do we know what face we're making yet? Next, grab your red plasticine and make another slightly bigger oval shape. This is going to be the mouth. Place that on top of your face. Next, go back to your yellow plasticine and roll out 2 arms. Make sure these pieces are slightly bent so they look like they're cupping the face. Once both arms are done, place them on the face. Ta-da! Now you have an emoji. Does this little guy look familiar? You're right, he looks kind of like the Scream by Norwegian painter Edvard Munch.